this is a very sensual thing. Now, I can touch you with my mind, with my words, maybe with my writing. I can touch you. I can even touch your heart. But there's something more precious than that, and that is the actual reaching out to touch the flesh of another human being that lets you know, yes, I am, and he or she also is, you see. And so this allowing us to um, touch each other in trust, trusting that we're not going to betray each other, this is an element, a dimension that is missing in Islam. I
Mm.
know it goes into the business world. The people I don't want to do business with are Muslims. They can't be trusted. They can't be trusted. So if they have been brought up for 1,200 years under this system, and when I saw that years ago that they can't be trusted, they give you your word, they can't be trusted. There's no John Wayne, element there. I give you my word, no. They give you your word, and then they say they have a caveat, inshallah, which
Yeah,
means if God does it, then maybe I'll tag along. Okay. Um,
yeah,
it's That's not what inshallah means. Inshallah
yeah.
means I will do it with the help of God. Okay,
Mm, mm,
that doesn't
mm.
mean I wait for God to do it. It means I step forward, and then
Yeah,
Allah will help me. If I throw, Allah throws with me, and that's also part of what's in the Quran. There, if
mm,
my father, what happens? The principle is here: if I take a step towards Allah, He runs to me. Okay,
mm,
so Allah is my friend, and um, I don't mean that in an arrogant way. I mean that in a very, very intimate way because I have experienced what it is I'm trying to express here. It's not easy to express this thing. I
mm.
have experienced the touch of God,
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
know He's my friend. I
Mm,
know this
mm,
from personal experience. I know this from dreams, from visions, from what has happened in my life. Pain or no pain, it doesn't make any difference. In the
mm,
end, when I take that step off the cliff, Allah catches me each and
mm.
every time, you see. And this world is constantly a test of that iman that you were talking about. This iman, this faith, it's there. It's become an abstract concept. It's something
Yeah.
that's talked about. It's spoken all the time, but to activate it is
Mm,
what's missing in the Ummah. And this, see, you call yourself an activist. Well, why is that? Well, because when you take action, you see results, cause and effect, cause and effect, cause and effect. It's one of the
mm.
principal laws of the universe. So
Yeah,
this is what's missing, dear brother.
yeah, good, yeah,
If we
good.
want heaven on earth, we have to bring it. We don't wait for Mahdi. We don't wait for Jesus to return. We don't
Mm,
wait for God's help.
yeah,
God helps those who help themselves. Okay. So
yeah,
I think
yeah,
you've learned that principle. And
yeah.
I think if I'm guessing correctly, you found it missing in the Ummah and also missing amongst the Alim, those careful creatures who, you know, for the most part, have never held a real job.
Yes.